group members are Armira Aini binti Asmi, Nur Amira binti Adnan, and Wan Nur Anis binti Mio Muhammad Aznam. Assalamualaikum and hi. We from group 7 have choose question 2 as our question for problem-based learning. The question is as follows. Sand is leaking through a small hole at the bottom of a conical funnel at the rate of 12 per second. If the radius of the funnel is centimeter and the altitude of the funnel is 16 centimeter, find the rate at which the depth of the sand falls when the sand is 10 centimeter deep inside the cone. Next, I will explain about the variable in these questions. Based on the question, there are three variables to be looked for. First is the V, which is volume of the cone at which depth of the sand falls. Second, we have R, the radius of the cone. And the third one is the height, H, height of the cone from the tip to the bottom of the conical funnel. The coefficient for R, radius, and the H, height, are 8 cm and 16 cm respectively.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Wano Anis and I will be presenting the Pbl table. Pbl table consists of four major components, that is facts, ideas, learning issue, and action plans. For the ideas, the sand is leaking through a small hole in the funnel and the rate of the sand leaking is 12 cm per second. The radius of the funnel is 8 cm. The altitude of the funnel is 16 cm. And find the rate of the sand if the depth is 10 cm. For the idea, we could use a differentiation technique to solve the question. Number 2, we could use formula to solve the question. And number 3, we could sketch the diagram to know more about the question and to understand it. For the learning issue, number 1 is what is a suitable differentiation technique that could be used in the equation to solve the question, and what kind of formula need to be used in the question. And for the action plans, we refer to the calculus book that we use in the class, and we search the internet to know more and to understand more about the differentiation. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Amira binti Adnan. I will present the result part. First, we know that dV per dt are equal to 12 centimeter cubic per second, which means volume is changing with respect to time at a rate of 12 cubic centimeter a second. Related to this question, we want to know how fast is H is changing. Therefore, we need to find dH per dt when H equal to 10 centimeter. We know that V are equal to 1 over 3 pi r square H. Because of we don't have the value for r, so we are going to use this triangle in order to find the unequivalent for r. The two above triangles are similar. Therefore, we can set up an equation of proportionality. R over 8 are equal to H over 16. So we get R are equal to 1 over 2H. Now we can continue to differentiate and solve the question like this. V are equal to 1 over 3 pi r square H. Then we replace R with 1 over 2H. Then we get 1 over 12 pi H power 3. Then we differentiate V and then it's become like this. And then we replace H with 10 that we get from the question earlier. And then dV and dt we replace with 12. And then The answer is dH per dt are equal to 0.1528 centimeter per second. A conclusion, at that point in time, the sand is falling at 0.1528 centimeter per second. Thank you.